Hey guys, wanna know how to change your hair color easily using Lensa? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, launch your Lensa app. And here you can see the plus icon right here. Just simply click on it to import any image. Now once you've imported the image, this prompt should pop up where you can freely edit your image. Now once you're there, simply scroll to the right side until you see looks. Press on it. Now since we want to change the hair color, scroll down until you see hair color. Now here it is. Now just simply click on any hair color that you like. Let's choose black. And as you can see, your color has been changed to black. You can also change to blonde, gray, and so much more. And that's it. It's super simple and as easy as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.